today I will show you how easy it is to make a RESTful API service under 60 seconds. To get started, first of all, install FastAPI UVCon. Okay, then you should grab the FastAPI class from FastAPI. So first from FastAPI, import FastAPI. So FastAPI. Next, we should initialize the FastAPI class. So FastAPI, initialize the FastAPI class. Then create a function. Okay, def home and return an object or dictionary. Indeed, message. Here you can pass in any arbitrary message. So I'm passing in hello world. And now this is just a regular function. To do HTTP operations, all you have to do is to decorate this function with the FastAPI instance. So app.get. This will enable us to perform HTTP operations such as get, post, delete, etc. Okay, we're going to use get, and we're going to specify the path. So it's going to be root path. So I'm specifying a slash here, and that's it, guys. And one more thing, you can also use async here to make this as an asynchronous function. Okay. And one more thing, this will be automatically converted to JSON. You don't have to worry about converting it. It's similar to JSON.dumps. Okay. If you are familiar with Django, you have to use something like JSON.dumps, or you have to use serializer classes. But FastAPI provides an easy to use, it's a built-in thing. The converting part of converting these objects to JSON is a built-in thing. So to run this function, all you have to do is UVCon main is just the file name, colon the instance name. So we have specified instance app, so instance name, then /reload. /reload enables us to live refresh whenever we make a changes, so we don't have to again and again run the same command. Okay, so with this thing, our web server is running at localhost 8000. All you have to do is to spin up the server, reload the server, and here you go, we have the message. And yeah, that's it. That's how fast you can build a RESTful API service with FastAPI.